Hi and welcome over to the Good Web Business Hosting. I'm GC, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a yoga web page with a free website creating tool. Now the advantage of this tool is that you can build, delete, redesign the templates until you're happy with them, and then when you actually come to build your proper web page or website, you've got a better understanding of what you want, what pictures you want, and what text you're going to actually put on your website. If you like videos like this, then please like and subscribe, and I'll do some more with different templates. And the best thing to do is to find the free creating tool is to come over to the Good Web Business Hosting. I'll put a link in the description. When you arrive at this page, if you scroll down towards the bottom, and what you want is this link here, free website creating tool, click there. And then that takes you into this page. And then what you need to do is click free demo. And from free demo, that will log you into the control panel. And from there, what you need to do is hold your cursor over web tools, Sitebuilder, and then you need to click this link here, which then takes you over to your templates. Now there's lots of different templates, and you can scroll down and you can use any of these templates, but seeing that this is the yoga web page, obviously we're going to click on this one here, and that will load this page up for you to change to how you would like it to look. So if we scroll down quickly, this is what we can change. Now this is just a web page which I'm going to change, but you have got all the other menu tabs along here. So first of all, what we're going to do is just change the color of this header. So what we would do is, if we go to logo, website title and logo, and what we can do is we can change the logo and the company name from in here as well. If we click on menu design and we go to main folder, and as you can see, this is the color of the background. So if we click on there, and let's say for example we pick that color there, and there you go. You can change any of these colors. So if you click save, then obviously this will save it. And also what you can do is you can change the image. So if we click on the actual image and then click on the image there, and then what you'll see is different images within this template. Now I'm going to be honest with you, what I've done, I've uploaded these just before I started to make the video. So if you want more images, then what I would suggest you do is go over to the likes of Pixabay, and all you need to do is search for yoga, and then you'll see lots of individual pictures. That these are the ones that you can actually use. And what I do is I just click on, and then what you can do, you can download it, but what I tend to do is use Snagit, and I find it a lot easier. I'll just quickly show you how that works. So what I would do is scroll over the picture, and then this comes up, and I would click the camera, and then what that does is that just drops it into your Snagit editing tool, and then you can change the picture by using any of these up here. So that's just an example. So if we go back to the website where the images are, and what we're going to do is just change that image. So let's say for example we pick that, and you can do lots of other things in here which I will do in other videos. If I save changes, and there you go, that drops that image in there. Not a very good image, so what we'll do is we'll click on it again, go to there, and let's say we pick this one, save changes. There you go, that's a little bit better. And there isn't you can change a lot of things in here by using the different tabs down this side, and again I'll do them with other videos. So let's say we're going to change the text here. What you can do is just click on it and change it, but to make this video a little bit quicker, what I've done is just set this up in Notepad. So if I copy that, drop that down, highlight it and paste, and there you go. That adds any text. You can actually change the text color if you wish by clicking the paintbrush, and let's say for example we want it in blue. There you go, it changed it to blue. You can do lots of other things in here as well. You can link different bits of text. So that's for example, let's say we just wanted to link this. You can use the link tool, which then brings this side up. Now what you can do is you can link it to a URL, or you can link it to actual sub page that is already set up within the template. So let's just say for example we're going to click contact, and then when you click on that in preview, that will then take you to your contact page. So let's change that again, and now you can do that if you click these three buttons here and remove the link and say yes, and there you go, it actually removes the whole of the link. So what I can do is if I just go back to my notepad again, click that and copy it, drop that down, let's highlight it again and paste, and there you go, that brings it back again in. And like I say, you can just keep changing things around, and nothing's set, so you can take anything out or put anything in. If you go wrong, then obviously I could have used this button here, which would have brought the benefits back. So that's what you can do there. Again, also you can change the text here, and again what I've done just to save time, I just copy that, drop that down, click on there, and then paste that in there. Now obviously the text is quite big. What I can do is if you highlight it all, click on the arrow here for more options and go to plus or negative. So let's take it down, so let's reduce it, and as you can see that actually reduces the text, or you can actually make it larger. So let's just settle for say that, and then tick. And what this does is it then when your website's ready, it'll upload it to the internet. So we can just make this a little bit a darker color, so we go to black, and there you go, it changes it. If you want to bold anything, all you have to do is just highlight, bold, tick, and there you go, it's been highlighted. Now as for buttons, let's say you don't want this schedule on here. If you click on it, and what you can do is if you go down to your three buttons there, and you can actually go to the link, or you can remove the link, continue, and there you go, that removes that for you. Let's say again that you want to link this to another page. Again, if you click here, and what you can do is, like I say, you can see where you want to link it to. So let's go say gallery. We can actually change the button as well. So let's say we just want to say gallery, save changes, and there you go, it changed to gallery. You can change the buttons as well. So let's say we don't want this block in here and we want another block. What I would suggest you do before you delete block, if you hold your cursor towards the middle, you can add a new content block, and you can add banners, contents, headers, objects. So you could add a video if you wanted, or another big image, call to action. So you can use these as well, all different blocks that you can use. There's a feature block. Again, you could add a block, put your images in here and different text, and then a big image. I'd say if I just quickly show you down there, and you can change all the icons. There's not really a lot that you can't do. And so let's say, for example, we fancy we want this added. So let's say we add that, and let's say we want to remove this block. All we would do is go to the bin, say yes, I want to remove, and there you go, it's gone. If you wanted to add an image here, again, like I say, go to images, and then all you need to do is say select one. Yes, you agree with that, save changes, and there you go, that drops that in. So if we come to this block again, let's just add some more different images just to make it look a little bit better. Save changes, go to that one, click the image, pick another one, say that one, save changes, and there you go. That's how simple it is to drop an image in your blocks. Let's say you want to change some of the writing. Again, like I say, just to save time, I'll just copy this. And then what we can do, we can drop that in there. There you go. Let's make that a little bit darker, or we can change it to a different color if you wish. So let's go for a blue. There you go, that changes that for you. And again, like I say, you can just change these as you go along. I mean, sometimes it's a good idea to do this sort of work beforehand, and then you can just come to your website and you can paste in whatever you want. Tick. It's showing that up there. Let's change that. Tick it again. Let's change the color. Paintbrush. Let's go for a green. There you go. If you want to, like I say, bold it, you can italic it. There's not, like I say, not a lot that you can't do. So I'll change all that. Now, as you can see here, there's quite a big gap between each block. So what you can do is, if you go to this tool here and scroll down, and what you can do is, if you click on default block spacing, you can then actually make the gap between each block a lot smaller. And as you can see, really no need for coding. And again, let's say we want to change this one, same again, click on there, and let's change that to say 40, and that one to 40. Save changes, and there you go. And then when your website is published on the internet, you'll not see any of this lining or anything like that. Again, you've got, a block like this. If you again want to change the image, click on it, click on there. Let's say drop this one in here, save changes, and there you go, just drops the image in. Again, I'll just show you quickly, change the block again. So let's change the spacing. Let's bring that up to 40. And this one too. Save changes. And there you go. It just makes the website look a lot more compact. Also, what you can do as well is when you've actually got your web page exactly how you want it, let's say you want to change your footer. Maybe you don't like this footer and you want to change it. You can actually change the blocks by just clicking on them, and again, just changing them by editing in them. You can also change your copyright at the bottom. But let's say, just for example, that you want a different footer. If you go to content, scroll down, click on footer, and there you go, there's all different styles of footers. So let's say we're going to pick this one, and there you go. Scroll down the page, And there you go, it's changed the footer for you. And you can change these links. If let's say you want to change the social icons, if you click on them, obviously you can link them into your pages. And to actually change these, what you can do is click on content again and go to social media, and you can change buttons here. Now if you want to link them to your social media, we can go down to this button here, and there you go. There are all the social media ones that you can add or take out. And the other thing that I can actually show you is on the templates, if you click on SEO and meta tags, you can actually change the result description that comes up in Google. So you can put your meta title here, and you can put your meta description and your meta keywords, save, and then it will set it up on your web page for you. So like I say, what I would suggest you do is come in, have a look at it, have a play around with it. Like I say, it's totally free to use, and you can more or less do anything you want on the pages. Just one other thing that I've just thought about, if we click here, and let's say for example, if we click on apps, and what you can do is you can add any of these too. So if you want to add a form, you can add a form, you can add a shop, blogs, sliders, voting polls, FAQ, question and answers, you can add a newsletter. All these you can add, and all you have to do is just click on any of the ones that you want to add. So let's say for example you may want to add a gallery, click on the gallery, and then you can actually set it up from inside here, which, to save time on this video, I will actually do a separate video on this. So there you go. So that's basically how you could build yourself a yoga web page, and then later on you could build yourself a website. I do supply the hosting as well, but there is videos in the channel to show you that. And also within the Good Web Business Resource Center, which I'll leave a link in the description, within that you can go in there, and I've actually got a domain tool that if you're struggling to find a domain name, then you can actually use this tool, and it will give you lots of different suggestions for a domain for your yoga website. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.